Hello. Today we are going to learn counting 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do some colors. But first, we see what colors do we have. Are you ready? Let's go. These are our beautiful colors. Purple, yellow, red, dark blue, orange, black, brown, red, sky blue, and green. Now we're going to do some coloring. This is pink and this is 1. What color is this? Orange. What is this? 2. What color is this? Sky blue. And what number is this? 3. Let's paint this. What color is this? It's yellow. And what number is this? 4. Brown color. What is this? 5. What color is this? Red. 6. What is this? Green color. What number is this? 7. What color is this? Purple. What number is this? 8. Wow, this looks great. Now, what color is this? Parrot green. What number is this? 9. Now, what color is this? Dark blue. What number is this? 10. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Now we count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See you next time. Bye.